Says it's starting. Okay, now we're live. Okay, go ahead.
So I think for question 3, I just was looking in the book and it looked like it was for the null hypothesis.
Sorry, I realized I can actually do this side by side. I think that's the one I agreed on, or I clicked. Yes, I agree.
Okay. And then for 4, I picked a null hypothesis.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Okay. And then for number 5, I picked the third one.
That's the one I have.
Okay. And then number 6, I picked the first one.
I did too. I like how it reminds me if it's pointing to the left, it's left tail.
You know, it's funny. I did that. Like, I assumed in statistics, it's the opposite. So I was like, I'm just going to pick the opposite and see if it's right. And then I checked my answer. I was like, oh, yeah. Okay.
It worked.
Just assume it's opposite.
I know. Huh? So then, yeah, 7 is the second one.
Yeah. 7 is the second one. Okay, perfect. And then number 8, I picked the first one, but I was a little iffy on Z and then the significance
No,
symbol.
that's the one I picked too. So we've got to, I hope that it's right since both of us have it right.
And that sounds right. Okay. And then the second one, I picked the second one.
For 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that?
That's what I have.
Okay. And then 10, I picked the third one.
Yep, that's what I have. It's so silly. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I have the third one as well.
Okay. And then 11, I picked the first one.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay. There's a pretty good chance we got them right then. Yay. And then number 12, I picked the first one.
I did too, because it worked with last semester or last whatever. Not semester, but.
Right. If it's normal, that's a larger number. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I have.
And then I always get mixed up with these. I picked the first one, but.
Me too. Okay, I was like, it's either central limit theorem or law of large numbers, but I'm pretty sure it's law of large numbers. No, you don't get another.
Right. I think with central limit theorem, it's the mean, and what's closest to the mean is the numbers get like
mean,
like something like that.
Awesome.
Which of the following is the test is to find this? Oh, Z. Was it Z?
Score, yeah.
Z.
I actually felt the homework questions were harder than the quiz, so I was grateful that the quiz wasn't as difficult.
I know. I felt like that too. Like they were hard. I think she does that on purpose to help prepare us and that kind of thing.
Yeah. So by the way, you are totally cute today.
Thanks.
I like your hair and makeup.
Thank you. I'm like trying to look nicer because I've been sick for like the last 4 days. It's not that Aaron complains. He thinks I'm beautiful no matter what, but I want him to, you know, like men want something
good
pretty
about yourself too when you dress out. So
I feel better. Yeah, I feel better about myself and yeah. So for 15, what is this I was a little tricked on. I just did the normal typical Z-score formula and plugged in the numbers. But my number, I always get weird numbers, so this could be completely off. Negative 0.15.
Okay, so I had negative 0.9. So let's see what numbers we used for the Z-score.
Okay.
See if we matched that.
Okay.
So did you also use?
I'm going to get my notebook.
Okay.
I'll be back. I'm going to get my notebook really quick. I forgot it.
No worries.
Okay. So test.
Okay, so
I did.
You used the Z-score with
I
the
did. Yeah, I did 144 minus 150 over 40.
Okay, and so then you have to have divided by the square root of 36.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
So
That was my clue. And square root of 36 is... Oh, 36 sales receipts. I see. Okay. I was close. Okay.
there was, when I was watching his tutorial, that I don't even know his name, the professor, that you just, yeah, in order to compute the test statistic or any of that, you have to use the square root of n. And so I got a negative 0.9.
Okay. So you got negative 0.
That work? Is that
Of
what
that.
you got?
And so computing p-scores, you always use square root.
Correct.
Okay.
At least for the whatever we're on.
Okay. And then with our little applet,
Null and alternative hypothesis, yeah. So, and then for 16, yeah, the applet we would use.
Here, I'm gonna find it. 0.9. That's. And did we click on the middle column, or is it
No, on this one, because they asked us to that the average has decreased, I clicked on the left. So I got, sorry, I'm trying to pull up the applet, 0.184. But let me
okay.
That's what I got from the applet.
Oh wait, 0.9 for that one, and then
It is 0.9.
0.
That's why. Okay, so enter it on the left side and then unclick the right and keep on the left. But of course, I mean, keep your answers because if we got it wrong, then we'll do yours.
Oh yeah.
You don't have as many opportunities this time to mess up. So
right.
The only downfall of having a smaller group. We'll wait and see what she says.
With our smaller group.
Yeah, because
I know, because that would work with our schedule so well.
I know. I was thinking the same thing too.
Because then that would make it so easy, and then our group won't suffer.
Yeah,
because I'm just gonna do my work ahead.
So okay. Were you able to get 0.1841 from the applet?
Well, let me look at that. Yeah.
Okay.
With the left square. Now you did the left-hand side because of
It the store manager suspects that the average has decreased. So when it's decreased, left-hand side.
So read those really careful.
Yeah.
Read them really careful slowly. All right. Decrease is left side, increase, and that's cool. Okay. And then I put fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah. That's what I did too, because our what is it? That fishy thingy, whatever he called it, the alpha maybe, is 0.05, and because 18 was more, then we'd fail to reject it, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I agree.
So 18.
I picked the last one, but.
Okay. So I picked the third one down because we failed to reject the null. Hold on real quick. I'm trying to find it in the notes why I did that. True population mean is, well, I guess we could do one and then keep the other and reverse it. You want to just do that?
I'll write down my answer and then we can decide. Yeah, we can.
I know I've got the answer in my notes. I just have to find it.
I trust your answer. Like if you.
If I fail it, then we'll figure it out then, right?
These last few, I guessed. I did fail to reject null hypothesis.
The last couple ones I'm pretty confident on, but not like, it's one of those where I'm like, oh, I want to submit for the test, so when she gets on, I could go, oh yeah, these really are the answers, and I'm not just tricking you. But I can't.
Right.
Okay. So I had type 1 for number 19.
I picked type 1 too.
Okay, good. And then 20, I had the second one.
I picked A, so I'll put down my answer, and then we can double check which one.
Okay.
Which
I
one
just
was
remember reading how they said it's the opposite when it's the actual probability. So that's why I picked it, because they're like, if you've got, it has to be the opposite. So I don't know.
I picked the one you picked then if you found evidence. I picked type 1 as a rule just because
Okay.
I was reading about type 2 in the book and I couldn't find a lot of information.
So we'll just, okay. And then I had this one I guessed on because all the other ones, it seemed like when we did the homework assignments, I put 0.05. What did you have?
Okay, I had no idea. I think you're right. I debated because I was like, this looks like compute the probability. It looks like something you need to solve, but in the book.
Yeah, so I was like,
There's
the
1 over
homework
20.
assignments, it's like, if you have 0.01, it's 0.01. If you have 0.05, it's 0.05. And so I'm like, I guess we'll find. Okay, so I will, do you want me to submit and then?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, I'll submit now.
Let's see what happens.
Please. Oh crap, I didn't save all my responses, but they looked like they were all saved. I guess we'll find out. Hi. Oh, we missed one. One.
Well, which one?
Give me one moment. Oh. 13. Oh, it's not the law of large numbers.
It's not?
What the heck is law of total probability? I mean, is it, then
Let's
the other
look
one,
at
central limit theorem?
the law of total probability. There might be. Let
Maybe
me look
that
in the book and see if they mention law of total probability. There's nothing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So,
I think she threw that in there. I think it's central limit theorem.
total probability is a fundamental rule relating to marginal property. Yeah, we don't even deal with that. It's got to be the other one. Okay, will you, oh, Sissy. Hi. Yes. Oh, don't beat me up. Okay, so you had all the other answers?
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Okay,
I had
so
all the other answers of what you
the
picked.
CLM or whatever she called it. Central limit theorem, and see if you get it.
I'll try central limit.
Okay, go watch your show. Mommy's almost done. Go watch your show. Go watch Diego.
I got 100 with what I put for central limit theorem.
Okay, so I would love to get 100 if you will help me with the answers again.
I totally can, yeah.
Thank you. We are on the group meeting quiz. Oh, I'm glad that wasn't as bad as I was hoping, or not hoping, expecting that I had screwed
I
up.
saw 21 and I was like, oh. And then I looked at the questions and I was like, she's nice. They're easy. If there's a lot, they're usually easy.
Thank goodness. Okay, 3 we said was the null hypothesis.
And then 4 is null hypothesis. 5 is C.
Sorry, it took me a while to work through these, so I don't know if I could get them all like this. Left-tailed is A. Right-tailed is B. 8. We said the top one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 9 is the B. The B would pick the second one.
Okay. 10 we said
10 is, I think 10 was the third one, yeah. 10 was C.
Okay.
And then 11's A.
Okay.
12 is A. 13 is B.
Right. Okay.
14's B or Z. Sorry if that's confusing. And then 15 is negative 0.9.
Okay.
And then 16 is 0.184.
Fail to reject.
And 17 is fail to reject, yeah.
Okay.
18 is we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Sorry, was that A, B, or C? D.
Sorry. Oh, it was C. Yeah,
C.
it was C.
I heard sufficient, but then I was thinking it wasn't.
Oh, sorry, I meant saying sufficient. I
That's okay.
C.
Okay,
Type 1, yeah.
And then 20
B,
and 21, 0.
0.05, yeah. Awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome. So I was glad that didn't take too long. So yeah.
Okay.
So okay. Are you okay meeting Tuesday on 11?
Yeah. Everything's the same unless she changes and says that she needs us to meet at a different time.
I don't want to change it.
I don't either. I'm content. So I feel bad. I was trying to involve McKenna a little bit more. I mean, we both were asking her if she got the problems, and she would tell us yes. And so I didn't think
Is she okay?
Yeah, she just dropped the class. I don't think she's understanding it, but I don't know how many more times. Like, she keeps dropping the class, but she has to take it. So at some point. So
Mm-hmm. You know what I did? I was gonna change my emphasis, because you can change your emphasis with your marriage and family degree, and you don't have to take statistics.
oh, well, that's great. Everybody tell me that now.
I know. The downside is the classes that you have to take are government classes, and the school doesn't offer them online.
Oh, see then. Yeah, I could.
So I had to change. Yeah. So Aaron's like, just change it. You can pass it. You've passed every online class you've ever taken. Like, you can pass it. So I was like, okay, if you tutor me, I'll do it. And
I gotta tell you, I have to, like, my husband, I feel bad. He's tutoring me and he's tutoring my 5th grader in math. But hey, on the bright side, my 5th grader had probability questions last week and I could help him.
you can help him learn. Yeah. Like, my kids will be blessed for me knowing this level of math. So if they want to go into social science, like, it would help them. So yeah. And the tutor, there's an online tutor. I need to email her if I don't get a question. And it's, you know what I mean? Like, it's midnight and you're like exhausted. So you just email them, and the next day they email you back and you're like, I'm going to do that. Because I'm like, you need to email them. You need to use them, because they know more than I do about these problems. They're trained. So I was like,
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going to utilize the tutor more.
Cool.
All right.
Nice weekend. We'll see you on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you later. Bye.